Kia good morning everyone, Richard Wong here. If you are new to the channel, my name is Richard Wong. I am a photographer based in New Zealand. I shoot weddings and portrait professionally, and I also love to do street photography. My YouTube channel is mostly about camera and tech review, but I always want to do some more contents about photography. One thing I want to try to do is to do a series of short video that I share with you some of the tips and tricks I learned over the years, and this is the first video in this series. I would definitely like to know what you think about this video, whether you like it or not, so please give me some feedback after you watch this video. My daughter really loves drawing, so recently we bought her a Wacom drawing tablet, and last night after we finished dinner, she rushed into the room and started drawing again using the tablet. So I went and grabbed my camera and I took a photo of her drawing using the tablet. So this is the photo I shot. When I look at the photo on the camera, I feel like I don't really like this photo. I think it's probably because her room got those LED lights there, which are quite bright and quite white, and they light up her room quite nicely and evenly, but that makes the photo looks a little bit boring. So then I told my daughter, hey, I'm going to switch off the lights in the room a little bit because I want to take another photo. I think the photo may look better. And after I switched off the lights and I took another photo, and this is the photo I got. Comparing this to the last photo, I definitely love this photo a lot more. First thing is, if you look at this photo, you can definitely tell this photo was shot in the evening, while with the previous photo, you may thought it was shot during the day. And now with all the lights are turned off, the lighting also look a lot more cinematic, and also because the computer screen and the screen on the tablet, they don't have to fight with the really bright LED light in the room. You can see that the color, the contrast, everything on those two screens look a lot better than the previous photo. So because of all this reason, I definitely love the second photos a lot more. Now, I'm not telling you that you have to turn off the lights in your room every time you take a photo in your room. That's definitely not the case, and I think some of you may actually prefer the first photo instead of the second one. What I really want to tell you is that lighting make a huge difference to how your photo look, and sometimes you really don't have to do a lot of things to change the lighting, to improve the lighting or change the lighting dramatically. In this case, what I did is I just switch off the lights in the room. So next time when you take the photo, definitely have a look and think about the lighting that you got right now. Does the lighting help you with the story that you are trying to tell? If not, if there's something that you can do to change or improve the lighting, remember to think about it next time when you take a photo. And what do you guys think about this video? Do you like it or not? Give it a thumbs up if you like it, or let me know whether you want me to create more videos like this in the future, or is there any special topic that you want me to talk about. Thank you very much for watching this video, and I'll see you in my next video.